Basic understanding of electrical system and electrical instruments. A machine that generates electricity on board a ship is the auxiliary engine or diesel generator. Auxiliary engine converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. For today's video, we focus on the electrical side, also called AC generator or alternating current generator. AC generator parts are stator, rotor, shaft, rectifier element, exciter, armature, space heater, air inlet with filter, air outlet, sub-exciter, damper winding, bearing metal, oil gauge, and the terminal box. And the produced electricity supplies to the main switchboard panel of number 1 group starter panel, number 2 group starter panel, powered by AC 440 volts. And also in the AC 100 volts panel. If the service generator fails, trips, or shut down, the emergency generator starts after 10 to 15 seconds. And the first standby generator starts automatically after 15 to 20 seconds. Emergency generator is used during emergency or the auxiliary engines of the ship fails and supplied power to the emergency switchboard panel. Consists of emergency fire pump, emergency air compressor, free fall lifeboat davit winch, emergency transformer, number 1 steering gear for emergency steering, and for the emergency lights, and etc. And during dry docking, the shore power is used. The shore personnel connects cables to the ship shore connection box. Then, the ship's engineer stop the running generator, put to manual the emergency generator, and switch on the shore connection breaker. Now, let's open what's inside of the starter panel. The breaker, transformer, magnetic contactor, overcurrent or overload relay, fuse, relays, electrical diagram, and the wirings that goes to the electric motor of different pumps and some machineries. Electric motor or AC motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. And the parts of the AC motor are rotor, shaft, stator, bearings, fan, key, housing, bearing cover, and the fan cover. And here are some of the maintenance of the electric motor. Number 1, check the insulation resistance. How to check the insulation resistance of the motor? First, turn off the breaker or the power supply. Put tags or signages. Then, prepare the insulation resistance tester. Set to 500 volts. Then clip the black probe to the body of the motor or ground. And check the ground to ground. Reading must be 0 mega ohms. And lastly, using the red probe, check all the terminals for low insulation. Number 2, overhaul and change bearings of electric motor. For overhauling and changing of bearings of the electric motor, please see my previous video. Link in the comments section. For AC 100 volts, it supplies to the ship's accommodation lightings, engine room lightings, navigation lights, and in general, it supplies lightings in the whole ship.